Who's supposed to watch over inmates. A woman held at Honolulu's Federal Detention Center says that guard did a lot more on 5 occasions. Keoki Kerr joins us now with the story first at 6. Keoki.
And Keahi, a federal grand jury indicted the federal correctional officer on 5 counts of sexual abuse yesterday, and he tried to run away from news cameras after appearing in federal court this afternoon.
The FBI says federal agents arrested 46-year-old Richard Seaman at the Federal Detention Center near the airport when he reported for work at 6 o'clock this morning. That's him running from a news camera after he pleaded not guilty in federal court this afternoon. Seaman was released after posting an unsecured bond of $50,000, co-signed by his wife, who appeared in court with him. The indictment says Seaman engaged in illegal sexual acts with a woman prisoner at the Federal Detention Center 5 times between September 23rd and December 8th of last year.
In these cases, the question of consent always comes up, and it's important to know that by law, a prisoner cannot consent to have sexual relations with a prison guard. The power dynamic between them is just too vast.
Seaman's trial is set for June 19th.
When complaints like this are brought to the FBI or the Department of Justice, we don't just take the prisoner's word for it. We do actually an investigation, which is what we get paid to do.
Outside federal court, Seaman's wife and 2 other women tried to cover a video cameraman's lens and stop him from shooting on the public sidewalk.
Stop. Stop. Have some common decency. Just stop.
They even called the police on the news crew as Seaman hid inside the Restaurant Row complex. But the officers did not stop the news personnel from doing their jobs because they were all on public property.
Now, Richard Seaman faces a maximum 75 years in prison if he is convicted, and he could be fined up to